Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure, where we'll be talking about food and acupressure every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in Hindi and on every Sundays in English. Today we'll be talking about acupressure points for IBS or Irritable Bowel Syndrome. IBS is a common disorder that affects the intestine. Symptoms for IBS may include cramps in abdominal area. People who are suffering from IBS may also have symptoms like constipation, bloating, gas. They may also have abdominal pain. Some people may also feel a problem of diarrhea. There are many causes of IBS, like muscle contraction in the intestinal area can lead to IBS. IBS may also cause because of some severe infection in the intestine. Mild celiac diseases may also lead to IBS. Abnormal movements of small intestine may also lead to IBS. People who are suffering from this problem should do regular exercises. Talking about foods, you should lower the intake of caffeine beverages. Beverages that contain caffeine like tea or coffee, you should lower them. Whenever you are eating something, you should always eat small meals, small portions of food. Increase the intake of probiotics in your diet, as they will help to increase the good bacteria in your intestine. Probiotics like yogurt, and also avoid deep fried or spicy foods in your diet. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative videos. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then do click on the link in the description box. So today we'll be discussing 3 acupressure points. First acupressure point is on the top of our thumb. See, this is our thumb's top, okay? Over here exactly in the center is our point. See, like this. Okay, this is our first point. On the top of our thumb, in the center, in the exact center is this point. This point is called as GV20, governing vessel meridian's 20th point. Our second point is on our index finger. You can see this last joint of our index finger just on its start. On its start, exactly in the center is our point. First point is over here on the top of our thumb, exactly in the center. Second point is on our index finger on the start of its last joint, exactly in the center. Okay. Our third point is on the back side of our hand. See the second joint of the middle finger. If you draw a straight line from the center, from its exact center, so just below that line towards thumb is our point. See, let's know it again. Our point is on our middle finger. On its second joint, second phalanx you can say, if you draw a straight line in the center, okay, and just below that line towards thumb is our point. This point is called as stomach 37. Our first point, which is over here, is called as GV20, governing vessel meridian's 20th point. Our second point, which is over here, is called as P3, pericardium 3. And our third point, it is called as stomach 37, ST37. So on all these 3 points, what we will do, we will press it properly like this with the help of a jimmy. With the help of like this jimmy, have this jimmy, you can take a pen, pencil with its back side, you press all these points properly. Press each point for 2 to 3 minutes properly. See, okay. After pressing all these points for 2 to 3 minutes, we will do seed therapy over here. For that, we will take paper tape and fenugreek seeds. Or you can also say it as methi dana. So like this, take a piece of paper tape. On it, apply a single fenugreek seed. Okay. And then place that tape on this point properly. See, like this. Similarly, apply on rest of all the points. All these points are bilateral. That means you can do it on the other hand also. So do all these points on the other hand also. You need to keep this tape for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, just throw that tape and on next day take new paper tape with new seed on it. Do not use the same seeds again. Do this treatment daily, you will definitely feel the results. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel.